How to create sliding text animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add a sliding text animation, what you can do is you can head over and then select onto the text that you want to apply it with. From in there, open right here this inspector icon, and then you should be able to see this. Click onto this thunder icon, and once you have clicked on it, make sure to click either on entrance, hover, click, or scroll. So for this case, I'll just choose entrance. And in here, we have the option for the slide. So this is what it will look like. So click on it and it will also show you in here a preview of this applied into the text. So as you can see, it slide up. You can also adjust the animation in order to change the direction that it's gonna come from. Also adjust the distance, duration, delay, as well as the easing curve. So that's all there is today, and I hope you know now how to create the setting text animation in Wix. Thank you so much for watching.